have tested a lot of wavy and curly hair products, and I am known to occasionally straighten my hair, and I've seen this product all over my For You page. It's the L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss. So I'm gonna try it on my hair today. Today is Sunday, and I washed my hair on Thursday just very quickly before work, and I did it straight. So a few days later, this is how it's looking. Let's see what difference this product is gonna make on my hair. I am really not looking forward to today's wash day. I don't know what the hell I've done to my back / left shoulder this week. I think I've moved in a weird way and I've really hurt it. So it hurts when I sneeze, it hurts when I yawn. So I am not looking forward to being bent over for 20 minutes. So for today's wash day, I'm just using the drugstore products that I got for my wavy wash day because, well, apart from these products, the only products that I own are wavy and curly hair products, and sometimes it feels like a bit of a waste using them when I'm going to be doing my hair straight. So I'd much rather use these for today's wash day. Plus, I'm kind of still testing them out. Like I said before, I did wash my hair on Thursday with these products because I wanted to see how it looks straight. That was the first time I've ever been complimented that my hair looked shiny, but I didn't really like how the ends were feeling. And as I was washing my hair today, I was wondering if it's the bamboo conditioner, perhaps. The ends kind of ended up feeling dry, getting a bit tangled, but my roots were nice. So I'm taking the mask and adding some of that to my hair. I accidentally dropped the tub on the floor. Well, actually, I think I put it on the toilet seat and it fell on the floor. Very hygienic, I know. And then I was gonna clean up the mask that had spilled on the floor, but then I was like, well, what a waste. I may as well just add it into my hair. So I definitely used way too much. Again, very hygienic, but my robot had just been in here mopping. So I wasn't too worried. So I rubbed that through my hair, drizzled a bit of water, detangled. I know that I use way too much mask, but there is just something so satisfying about detangling and brushing your hair when it's covered in tons of deep conditioner. I don't know what it is, but it just tickles something in my brain. Then I'm taking the shampoo, working it into my scalp, rubbing it down my ends a little bit, and then using my scalp scrubber to really scrub it in. And I've never massaged myself as aggressive as I did today, but it felt so good. Times like these, I kind of miss going to the hairdresser here in Spain because they would give you a really nice massage while you're there, and it's so relaxing. I love when people touch my hair and play with my hair. I rinsed that out and I decided to go in and shampoo again. I wasn't going to, but I am kind of worried about this gloss that I'm trying making my hair too oily. So I really wanted to make sure that we're definitely starting with a nice clean base. And even though I went in twice with this shampoo, you can see that as I'm rinsing it out, my hair still looks very soft. So I really like this shampoo. Then I'm taking the conditioner, which I'm not really loving, and like I said, I think it might be contributing to the way my ends have been looking. So I worked that in, detangled, rinsed it out, and then comes to apply the Glycolic Gloss. It says on the instructions to apply it to damp hair, so I did just squeeze out all the excess water. I wasn't sure how much of this to apply. I kind of treated it as if it were a mask, but I may have used too much. I think I could have gotten away with using less, but oh well, it is my first time using it, so we'll see what happens. And then I tied my hair up out the way and left it in for 5 minutes. Then to rinse it out, I drizzled some water over my hair, brushed my hair through, and then I rinsed it out. At this point, honestly, my hair wasn't feeling much different to how it usually does on a normal wash day. 1 minute, my cat's crying. It's wet outside. She came in soaking wet, rubbing all over my legs. After I rinsed it out, I put my hair up in a towel and I'll go and dry it with my hairdryer in a moment. I'm a bit skeptical about this product. Some of the TikTok videos that I've seen, they have like really shiny results, but they do have like a ring light or something shining on their hair, which does make your hair look shinier. I also saw one TikTok of a girl saying that it made her split ends super apparent, and I do have a few split ends. And I saw this TikTok literally the day after I bought this product, so hopefully that's not me. And then I've seen some videos where the hair just looks normal. Some people's hair looks really oily. I'm worried that might be the case with me, or if not today, then maybe tomorrow it might get oily quickly. So I will be checking back in to show how it's progressing, and I'll have to show you my next wavy wash day, see if this product is gonna affect my waves at all. I was happy to see that in the shower while I was doing my hair, my waves were making an appearance, so happy to see that. I guess I'll go and dry this now. Oh, my My hair is feeling a little waxy. I don't like how it's feeling. So here is how my hair is looking just from blow drying it. Honestly, when I normally blow dry it, I just kind of blast my hair with a hairdryer until it's completely dry. Then I go in and straighten it. But today I was a bit more thorough with my drying. I don't think my hair is much different to how it normally is, honestly. I will insert maybe a few pictures. I don't think I have a video of some recent times when I have done my hair straight and how it's looked. I feel like the difference isn't that big, although when I'm showing the back of my head and I'm putting my hand under my hair and moving it like this, you can see the light, you know, reflecting off my hair as it moves, which is nice because I feel like my hair can easily look dull. So I don't know, maybe there is a little bit of a difference, but the difference is not huge. The waxy feeling that I had, that thankfully has gone away. I was a bit worried. And my hair, it does not feel oily. It doesn't feel as soft as I was expecting though, and my hair tangles really easily, so already as I'm brushing my fingers through my hair, they're getting caught on little tangles that are already forming. So I kind of had high hopes that maybe this product might help with that and not cause as many tangles. I did not buy the leave-in serum that they had because I just wanted to test the treatment by itself, but I think what I am gonna do now is quickly straighten it with my straightening brush because I think that might add more shine. I feel like my hair looks nicer once I run that through it, and then I'll add some Cocoa and Eve serum, I think, into my hair, or Aussie Work That Curl. I really like that on my straight hair. Okay, so I think that has maybe helped a little bit to add shine. It's got rid of any, like, maybe little bits of frizz that I might have had left over because I'm not the best at blow drying my hair. In the end, I'm going with the Cocoa and Eve hair elixir because it was the closest one to me. It was in the bathroom where I've been doing my hair, and the Aussie one was in my other bathroom, so I didn't fancy walking that far because I feel like all I do do is do laps around this house all day, especially when I'm filming. I'm running from one side of the house to the other. I forget stuff, so I'm going back and forth. And this is with the serum, the final results. Honestly, serum to finish it off at the end really does make a difference. My ends feel so much better with the serum. So let me know in the comments what you think. I'm not wowed by it, honestly. I don't think my hair feels that different to how it normally does. I do think it does have a little bit more shine, so I like that. But I don't really see the hype surrounding it. I'm a bit disappointed. I was expecting more. It's the following day and I feel like my hair is kind of looking shinier, but I feel like my roots are already starting to look a tiny bit greasy, which I don't like. This is how my hair is looking on day 3. You can see that my roots are quite greasy today, so I will be using dry shampoo, and probably today will be the last day that I'll be wearing my hair down for this wash day. Here's how it's looking now after using dry shampoo. It looks a little bit better. Anyway, enjoy your weekend and I will see you in the next video. Bye!